Hello guys, welcome to my channel and how to download gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website gigabyte.com. You can see this is official website of the gigabyte motherboard. So click on search. You can see here in the right side. Then enter your model number of your required B760M DSRH WiFi6 DDR generations 5. Then hit enter. Click on product. Then click on motherboard title. In updating, you can see this is open automatically new tab. Then click on support. So select operating system which is required, means Windows 10, 11 and like that. So if any, so this is installations process same. You can see this video and then install it. Okay. So WLAN means Wi-Fi, Intel Wi-Fi driver, and always try to install driver and click to download. Now you can see this is start downloading. And click to open and just double click to exe. Then yes. And then close this install.